Ring-dee-dee-dee-doo. And the Sam Hell sucked me sideways. Whew, doggy. You know, it's interesting when you talk to people who live a little bit different lifestyle than you, or have, you know, different kind of property than you. I often get asked, Adam, what'd you do all week? Like in your evenings after work? And what are you doing this weekend? Did you see that show? What shows are you and your wife watching? Honestly, none of that. I don't have time for that. And sometimes people don't understand that. But I mowed grass for like 4.5 hours this week and I'm not done. So this is a little last minute of a video, but I got some chores to do today. I'm gonna bring you guys along. Not necessarily fun stuff, but just part of my days out here. And the Sam Hell. This all looks pretty when it's, you know, kept up, but keeping it up is a big deal. So, oh, it's looped through the hole in the back. Got it. These things look kind of silly, but if you ever use one, they're awesome. So on this gloomy Saturday with 95% humidity and rain coming, we're gonna try to get as much done as we can before it rains. I'm gonna use that cutter here in a second. Need to finish draining this down. Problem is right now it's so low you gotta babysit it because that pump outpaces the water flowing in. I just treated the pond for algae before I hopped on here and thought of this video. And this morning I hung 4 or 5 cabinets at my father-in-law's place. So right now we're gonna trim up around all these Bradford pears. Kind of want to just take a chainsaw to these Bradford pears. But then if it ever stops raining, we're gonna get the 15-gallon sprayer on the golf cart and spray on the base of all these so I'm not having to do this ever again. As you can imagine, this is not fun. Also, I had someone comment, and I got this thing as a promo a couple years ago, a year and a half ago, I don't know. Yeah, it's still awesome. Love it. People said I made the video and then just threw it away. It's not the case. Actually, that over there is the case, and it's got like 3 blown hydraulic lines. Ring-dee-dee-dee-doo. Not bad. You saw what you saw, and then I did about 10 or 12 more trees, and now, well, as you can see, it's ran pretty good. Man, I want to get some stuff done today. I probably will still keep doing this. I'm already wet. It's kind of a nice day to do this. You know, it's not 105 degrees and sunny. You know, I always try so hard to think about what would be a good video, and you have an afternoon planned of stuff to do, and then this happens. All is not lost. I'm going to park the golf cart somewhere under some trees, and I'm going to keep at it in the rain and just see where the day takes us. So the rain slowed a little bit and I'm an absolute mess. I kind of got the stuff up front done closer to the pond. That's what I was really after. The stuff in the back, I'll just outright spray it and won't care, but we're gonna start hosting out here at the pond soon. I'd like things to look nice, so I want to trim it before I sprayed it. Note to self, start keeping more towels on the golf cart. Get rid of this guy. Whew, what a mess. Feels pretty nice though. All right, we'll hang that up for now. Let's go over here and check this pump. Maybe we'll pump that down for a minute. You know, it's funny. There's a lot of things in life that people don't like to do, right? Weed eat, paint, both pretty terrible. But in small doses, they're not bad. So I'll weed eat for a little bit. And now we're going to hang it up. Plus, there's something about running a machine and listening to classic rock that I just can't get enough of. I don't care if it's a weed eater, a tractor, the backhoe, a chainsaw. It's just fun. Let's suck this thing down here a little bit. Suck me sideways. I'm gonna start throwing Dumb and Dumber quotes in all my videos, just FYI. It's an absolute marsh back there. I did trim this up. I gotta keep this thing on idle because it can't gravity feed in here fast enough to keep up with the pump once it gets rolling here. So yeah, I thought we would be done with this by now this year, but it's so wet in April and May, and now June. So we're still holding water. I need to buy a transit and see if I can't shoot grade and get this kind of pulled out of here without having to do the whole pipe thing over there. I'll let that pump run for a few, check on it in a minute, and start sucking air. Horsepower rating on these, oh, I should have maybe used a cutter head, but I didn't want to mar up the bases of these trees real bad. Oh, there's some thunder. Thunder rolls and the lightning strikes. Let's hope not. And if I know me, these are not going to get picked up. They're going to get smoked with a grasshopper. Oh, I hear the pump. She's sucking air already. Let's go save her so she don't burn up. Pretty sure I have it as low as it'll go. All right, as much as I want that water gone, I'm not gonna sit here and babysit this thing. What a waste of time. Speaking of wasting time, I'm done with these. Let's see what else we can actually get done. I'm fearful that rain may have put the kibosh on any grade work today. Pond's looking pretty good, mostly full. Hey, thunder. I think I might take this pile of 8 gravel and kind of disperse it up around this area. If I get that done, I might rake the beach and could pull the hoses off the backhoe. Well, of course, now it's a good day. I got Big Green out. I wonder if I can scoop that up without actually pushing it all in the pond. When you're out here trying to move like 20 triaxles of dirt at a time, you often think, man, this thing's small. Then you do little projects, and you're like, oh, this is overkill. I got enough here. I'm just gonna scatter the rest about. If you wonder why I keep turning my tractor off, I am so tired of regen cycles on that filter. I guess the question is, what's cheaper? A new DPF or a new starter? Well, that's an enormous spider. Was an enormous spider. Like, these kind of days are never planned, but when you get done and you look back and think about everything you cleaned up or accomplished, you kind of feel really good about it. I am the king of making messes. Starting to think I may have to light a fire here in a minute too. Woohoo! Whew, doggy. Remember I made that comment about turning my tractor off and then now I'm leaving it on? That's actually like still part of the pond. Let's dig that out. Let's dump that and dig that out. Screw it. All the bark off this log has been laying here. Boy, wet sand sure sticks to nothing, I'll tell you that. I put the rake on and said I'll do the concrete slabs when things dry out a little bit. Also, I have the Pat's Easy change on here. I'll do a video on it at some point talking about it, whether I like or dislike it. Something I want to show you. It adds like what, 4 or 5 inches to scoot things back in the 3-point. But check out how far now I have to stick the top link out to reach level when it's kind of at, you know, engagement height. You got to be cognizant of your top link and how much you have to work with. I can still cut with it, I'm pretty sure, but now it takes all I have. All right, let's clean this up. It's hard to beat seat time on the tractor. I'll tell you, I've got about 15 or 20 feet less to grade this year because the pond's full. Might need to change that and scoot this whole thing back. Tell you what, by the time I hit retirement age, I'm going to be so ready to take on that job working the South Florida beaches, keeping them clean on a big, you know, John Deere 6 Series with one of these that's probably 30 feet wide. I'm coming. I found another one of these high horsepower rigs. I'm gonna clean up the edge here. You don't need to see that. Not perfect, but better. I'll tell you, using a rake for 20 minutes or so sure makes you appreciate equipment. First rake of the season looks a whole lot better. Sidebar, hey, check it out. Got a lot of totes for firewood. I'll be ramping that up here real soon. I sent that to Adam at Hometown Acres, and he told me that was a rookie number of baskets. I don't disagree, because he'll fill those in like 20 minutes. But me being me, I had to ask him how much water was in his pond. Yeah, I know, low blow. We're buddies though. At least I think we were until I said that. I think I'm gonna get the garden hose hooked back up here and try to wash out some of this rock and see if we can't make it look somewhat decent. And then I'm gonna call it a video. Probably won't call it a day, because I may restring these posts with new rope. Possibly pull the hoses, but I doubt it. This might take a while. Well, it's not perfect, but looks a whole lot better than having no sand here at all. We'll let the rain finish her off, but that river rock cleans up and look real nice through here. One last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna build a quick step. That's a pretty big step for kids. I'm gonna build a quick step out of 2x6. Alright, I think that should work. If it looks off, it's because the step is level, but the dock is not, for whatever reason. Probably because I built it. Much better. Little legs will be happy to have an extra step as you go down here. So, this is kind of one of those random days of just fixing stuff and chores and whatnot. It's all a lot of work, and it's tiring. But on those summer days when you get to enjoy it with family and friends, totally worth it. I'm gonna play a game called Blast the Algae off the secured line there. It's really fun. Obviously by now you can tell that I've completely lost it. I also smell terrible. I'll see you guys next time.